guys. We're out here on the farm and we just enjoy hunting and target shooting. So we're gonna do some target shooting with my 22 out here.
Get him?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see that shoulder. See if you got your Bible. Oh, this little finger.
This is how I like to shoot my 30-yard shot on.
Yeah, you drilled him, kid.
Guys, we just don't shoot one target because you need to get your skill. So if like you're round targets and you don't hit it, you need to practice more and try to get on target. So I never shot that before. And first shot hit right there, second shot right there. Then those two shots were on target, which was really good. But your variety, you got just to try. And this, I shoot this a lot. You could see on the back, there's little shots of some shotgun. Then all the else, 22s. 22s fired all over it. This is my 22 and welcome to my channel on 22s. We'll do shotgun, 20-gauge pumps, break over, we'll do deer rifle, we'll do muzzleloader, we'll do any type of gun you want. Subscribe my channel and we'll do next video big.
Get him?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see that shoulder. See if you got your battle. Oh, this little pink.